So good morning, dear students. So today we are supposed to do narrations, and we will be doing narrations of imperative kind. Okay. So what are basically, first of all, you should keep this thing in your mind, that what are basically imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Tell me. When I take example of imperative, what comes in your mind? What is imperative? It is order, advice. It is request, order, advice, request, suggestion. So order, advice, request, suggestion. All these come into the category of a imperative sentence. So when we have given any of the sentence using imperative sentence in direct speech, what is the rule to change into indirect speech? This thing we are going to do today. Okay. Audible. Now voice is audible. Am I audible to you? Show me thumbs up. Okay. So whenever any imperative sentence is given, what is the rule to use? So for that, listen, read this sentence, work hard. It means I am suggesting you. So here, said to will change into suggested. It can be suggested, it can be ordered, it can be advised. It depends on the sentence, which kind of sentence is this. So I suggested you. So whenever you are putting such kind of remarks here, in place of comma, inverted comma, you are supposed to write down to. And with to in infinitive, always first form is used. So what will be that? I suggested you to work. I suggested you to work hard. Clear? So this is the way I suggested you to work hard. Clear? It means in direct speech, if any imperative sentence is given, if any imperative sentence is given in direct speech, and you will change into indirect speech. So what you are going to do, you will be putting to plus verb. In place of comma, inverted comma, you will be writing to, and with the to, always and always first form is used. Whether it is suggested, it doesn't mean that you are writing here worked. If you have written word to, so with to, you are supposed to use always first form. Am I clear to you? So I suggested you to work hard. This is the rule, and you are supposed to do this rule in your fair notebooks. You jot down now in rough. Later on, you can do it in fair notebook, and you have to keep these notes with you because this grammar will be asked in PT2, PT3, and PT4 also. In your next classes also, same rule will be repeated in 9th and 10th also. So keep it with you carefully. Don't throw your notebooks after this class because this grammar and writing skills, these are going to be repeated. Same. Clear? So am I clear how to do this sentence? Now I'm going to give you some of the imperative sentences. Before that, I want to discuss another rule with you. For example, I said to you, do not smoke. Now this is also an imperative sentence, but this sentence is of negative. So whenever negative sentence is given, how to change it? Listen carefully. So I said to you, do not smoke. It means I am giving you order or advice or suggestion. What? Advice. Do not smoke. If one person says to you, do not smoke, it means that person is advising you. So here said to will change into advice. So I advised you. Now I told you that in place of comma, inverted comma, we are supposed to use to. But here not has also come. So according to rule, what we will do, we will put not first, then we will be writing to. I advise you not to smoke. This imperative sentence will be treated as simple assertive sentence. Do not smoke, not to smoke. So this two we have put in place of comma, inverted comma. But after to, note is not to be used. This note is to be used before to. Clear? So this concept is clear to you? This concept is clear? So afterwards, I'm going to give you some of the examples. You write down this example. Done? Now start writing. You have to solve on your own. Then we will discuss it in the class. Yes. Clear? Now start solving these sentences. You start solving these sentences. Okay, now start solving. She said, give me a glass of water. She, tell me. Only same students are raising their hand. Same. What about others? This concept is not clear. So why don't you try? Rania has written in online, her answer is correct. Yes, you solve. Solve it. In place of said, what will come? If somebody says you to give me a glass of water, what is that? It is request, it is order, it is advice, it is suggestion. What is that? Request. Okay. Then but request will be considered when please word is used or kindly word is used. We will consider request when please and kindly words are given. I have taken very simple example. So she ordered. She ordered to give. Me will change into why so she is given here. So we will change according to she. So she ordered to give her a glass of water. So this thing you have to keep in your mind that give me a glass of water, it is basically order. So she ordered to give, me will change into her. Sit down. Ishan. He said, go and fetch me a glass of juice.
He ordered to go and fetch him a glass of.
Yes, go and fetch. Now me will change according to he. So he ordered to go and fetch him a glass of juice. He ordered to go and fetch him a glass of juice. She said, do not play on the road. She said, if I say, do not play on the road, so it is an order. What is that? It can be suggestion, it can be advice. So she advised, in place of comma, inverted comma, what will come? Yes, here not will come first, then you will be writing to. So not to play on the clear. Ram said help poor and needy. If one person say to you help poor and needy, if I speak like this, help poor and needy, I am putting you order. I am requesting you. Advised or suggested. Ram advised to help poor and needy. Ram advised to help poor and needy. Clear? Sita said, forgive him. Sita requested also, but here pleaded also. Pleaded is also to make a request. Sita pleaded to forgive. Pleaded means requested. Clear? If these 5 sentences are done, shall I move further? Written? Shall I repeat? I said, kindly help me. See, when please and kindly word, such kind of words are asked, please and kindly. So when you will change direct into indirect speech, so you will omit this kindly word. You will omit this kindly word. So what will be writing? I requested to help me. Here me will change according to I. So I is here to me. So I request you to help me, but you have to keep this thing in your mind that whenever kindly word or please word is given and you write down requested, then both these words will be omitted. Kindly word will be omitted. The please word. You will not write down these words in indirect speech. In indirect speech, you are not supposed to write down these 2 words, kindly and please, whenever you are changing from direct into indirect speech. Clear? He said, please give me some money. He said, please give me some money. He requested to, now please word will be omitted. It will be omitted. So he requested to give him some money. Clear? So these are the rules of doing kindly and please word. These are the rules of doing kindly and please word. He said, please give me some money. He requested to give him some money. I said, kindly help me. I request you to help me. You write down these 2 examples as it is in your notebook. It will be very much beneficial for you because during your exam preparation, you can study from there if the notes are with you. Because I'm taking very simple example. From simple to complex, I will be reaching. Write down this. Sort out. Now the next is the beggar said, please give me some food. Yes. So the beggar said will change it to, you can write down requested also. You can write down pleaded also. So the beggar requested to give him some food. He said to you, kindly follow this rule. He requested to follow that He requested you to follow that rule. Ram said, please try to understand my problem. Ram requested to try to understand. Here you have to write down two times. This 2 for inverted commas and this 2 is used for try. So Ram requested to try to understand his problem. Clear? Radha said, kindly sort out this problem. Radha requested to sort out. Now this will change into sort out that problem. Clear? The student said, please forgive us this time. The students requested to forgive them that time. Student requested to forgive them that time. Clear? So do these sentences very, very carefully. If you have already done, check your answer, put a small tick mark and underline the mistake, rectify it. That what mistake have you committed. Okay, Akul, show me your poster. I'm giving you time. What about your poster? Your poster, show me. Very nice. अपना name mention करते हैं यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे name अच्छा लिखा दे दो. कुछ वजह recording. Very nice. You do one thing, draw its margin. Mention your name, draw its margin. You can give me on Monday after drawing the margin. One margin. कोई भी margin, orange, white, green, whatever, orange or green. Otherwise, it's too good. Very good. बहुत अच्छा बनाया. So this sentence is clear to you? दे दो. Akul, you give me. Now who are left? Ishan is left and okay, now bachche, I'm giving you homework. What you will do, you will do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, and revise it thoroughly. If you face any kind of problem, if any other topic is not clear, you can ask me on Monday. Clear? Okay, students.